All right, you're watching DefenseReview.com. We're back with Mike Full of Full Conceal, and he's just going to show us sort of another interesting capability that we've got here. So, all right, so take us through it.
Yes, so for those who carry a Glock 19, in terms of capacity, you have Glock 19 and you carry a 15-round magazine with it, and then you have a spare mag, let's say another 15 rounds, right? So you have 15 plus 15 plus 1, you have 30 plus 1, you have to reload in between. Right. So what if I were to tell you that instead of carrying all that, because really you have about 4 components there. You have your gun, you have your gun holster, you have the magazine and the magazine holder. So if I can tell you that I can give you just one component and put it all in a very tight package where you don't need a holster and you don't need to reload on there, that is what I'm going to show you right now. So what this is our M3D. It comes with a standard 21 round, but you have the optional 33 round magazine here. So what you can do here, and this is self-indexing, anywhere in this point, that bull will go through and index it, right? It'll snap right in. So let's take this out and swap in the 33 round factory Glock stick. So I put this in here. Now this is interesting because this was designed to actually pass that point of indexing. Right. So I can put it here and now it's flush. And just to give you perspective, that is my cell phone over this unit. That is a cell phone. So I put this down. You can get an idea of just how much bigger it is. Just a tad bit bigger, an inch. So if I were to put this into my pocket, just to give you an idea, this is how it would look. That's how it looks in my pocket.
Yeah, it looks like almost like a cell phone.
Right, that does look like my pocket.
Yeah, like a big cell phone, yeah.
Right. And so, taking this out, now I can just deploy this, just like that.
Bam.
Into 33 plus 1, Glock 19.
Wow, thank you. Thanks for demonstrating that for us, Mike. Really appreciate it. Full Conceal at SHOT Show 2019, and you are watching DefenseReview.com.